Tesla fan, let's get straight to it, okay? Today I'm going to show you how to customize your Tesla horn sound, make it truly yours, guys. So first things first, you want to access the controls. So start by tapping on the controls icon on your touchscreen. This will take you to the main settings menu. Okay, then you want to navigate to horn settings. Okay, from the controls menu, go to vehicle and then just select horn. Now this is where you can customize your horn sound. Okay, just choose your horn sound. You'll see various horn sounds available in the selection. You can tap on each option to preview the sound and choose the one that you like best. And you can just save your selection. Once you've found the perfect sound, confirm your selection, and your new horn sound is now set and ready to go, guys. You can test it out. You can give your horn a quick honk to ensure that it's playing your customized sound and making sure that it's everything you wanted, okay, guys? And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further. See